Today we're making a simple chicken thighs and spinach stir-fry. This chicken dish turns out juicy, tasty, and ready in just minutes, all on a budget, costing less than $7 for the whole meal. We start by cutting skinless and boneless chicken thighs into quarters. Then place them in a bowl to marinate with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, a little black pepper, some cornstarch, and a splash of rice wine. Mix the chicken well, making sure every piece is coated. This step gives the stir-fry a juicy texture and deep flavor. We finish marinating with a touch of sesame oil for that rich, nutty flavor. Then set it aside for about 15 minutes. Next, we prepare the veggies. Cut the long red pepper into pieces like these. This pepper is sweet, vibrant, and perfect for our stir-fry. Smash the garlic to release its aroma. Then mince it finely for extra flavor in the stir-fry. Add some oil to a hot pan and let's start cooking on medium-high heat. Then add the ginger slices to the oil and let them sizzle briefly to release their flavor. Place the marinated chicken in the pan. Spread it out evenly and let it sear without stirring so it develops a nice golden color and locks in the flavor. Look at this piece of chicken, perfectly golden on one side. Now we flip it to cook the other. Let the chicken brown gently so the outside turns golden while the inside stays tender and juicy. Friends, I'm really curious, where are you all watching from? Tell me your city and your country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state as well. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Add the minced garlic and the red pepper to the pan and stir-fry them together with the chicken for about 1 minute. Then we can season with a little bit of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some sugar, and a pinch of black pepper. Give everything a few more tosses to mix evenly. Make sure the chicken and vegetables are well coated with the sauce, and the flavors come together nicely. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 3/4 of a cup of water until fully dissolved. Keep stirring because cornstarch tends to settle at the bottom. Then pour it over the stir-fry. Mix well so the sauce turns smooth and coats the chicken and vegetables beautifully. Now add a splash of rice wine for extra depth of flavor. If you don't have it, you can simply skip this step, and the stir-fry will still taste delicious. Turn off the heat and add the spinach. It doesn't need to be cooked. Simply mix it with the chicken and pepper until it just wilts. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for that rich, nutty aroma. Give it a few more tosses, and that's it. We're done. Wow, look at this chicken and spinach stir-fry. It looks amazing. It's juicy, smells incredible, and the colors make it even more appetizing. A perfect dish that's ready to enjoy. You can also serve it with rice for a full meal. A simple, budget-friendly dinner that's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheat meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.